Fire truck covered in mud, Tony saw the messy flood. Spots and dirt everywhere, cleaning now needs special care. Let's remove the muddy crud. Bucket ready, sponge in hand. The man made a clean plan. Smiling big, he said, let's start. Helping trucks is kinda smart. Cleaning time had now begun. Water sprayed up high and wide. Splashes danced on every side. Tony laughed with great delight. Washing made it fresh and bright. Fun was flowing like a tide. Round big wheels were dark and gray. Tony scrubbed the dirt away. Up and down, sponged it light, cleaning every muddy side. Shiny wheels began to stay on window glass. Tony wiped the dirt so fast, sunshine began to show like a mirror's happy glow. Windows sparkled clear at last. Bucket and the ash, soaking walls, auction meeting, fee on home. Fun was dancing here and there. Bubbles floating in the air, Tony saw them everywhere. Pop, pop with the soapy foam, making cleaning feel like home. From the dam race standing wide, fun was dancing here and there. Soap was rinsed with the water bright, truck looked fresh and full of light. Tony sprayed with happy cheer, making every corner clear. Now it sparkled clean and white. Truck was shining like a star, cleanest fire truck by far. Tony smiled with joyful pride, standing safely by its side. Shine could be seen from afar. Lights went blinking, sirens shone, ready for a rescue call. Strong and brave and standing tall, clean and shining like a throne. Sun went down in golden hue. Tony said, the job is through. Truck looked bright and good as new. Helping here is what we do. Happy ending, shining true. Happy ending, shining true.